Hi guys, I am Soumali and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making Gobi Manchurian. So for the recipe, first I need to marinate the gobi or cauliflower. So here I have taken cornstarch 2 tablespoons, then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, mix it. Now I am adding cauliflower into it. And coat it. Now adding ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, again mix it. Now I am adding little bit of water. All cauliflowers are nicely coated with batter. So now I am going to keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Apart from this, I have required finely chopped ginger and garlic, tomato sauce, red chili sauce, this is soya sauce, some finely chopped bell pepper, green bell pepper and onions. I am preparing dry Gobi Manchurian, so I will not use a single drop of water for the recipe. Oil is hot. Now I am going to fry the cauliflower. Now fry it till light brown. Now it looks light brown and crisp, so take it out from the oil. Same pan I am using to prepare the Manchurian, but reduce the oil. Now in the oil I am adding ginger and garlic chopped. Then add this fried cauliflower and stir it. Then add tomato sauce, here I am using 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, hot red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and mix it nicely. Then add salt, chopped capsicum and onions, and fry it. Cook it 5 minutes in medium flame. Just note it, capsicum and onions crunchiness should be there, so don't overcook it. So 5 minutes is over. Now I am going to plate it because it is ready. The dish is ready. You must try it at your home and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel and get some new recipes. Till then, bye bye.